Test, test, 1, 2, 3. Test, test, 1, 2, 3. What's going on, team? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions. Here we are going to be checking out to see how Microsoft and Google report earnings. So today it is Tuesday, April 26th. Looks like the reports are out. Market is reacting. I might actually have to open up a couple more screens over here. TQQQ. Let's go ahead and get this one set up. I want to see how this one's reacting, and I also want to see why not do it. Tesla also indicating signs of a descending pattern. Let's see. Tesla's not as important, so I'm gonna see if I can bring this down. There it goes. Big drop on Google. Google with a $1.5 trillion market cap, I was going to say. And then Microsoft with a $2.3 trillion market cap. Google definitely dropping down 3% after market hours, matching its 3% that it lost during normal trading hours. Let's see it. What's up? What's up? Good morning or good afternoon, really. Pretty busy day today. Sorry I haven't been as active as I normally am. Just a lot of different things going on, but let's see which way we end up going. Here we go. Alrighty. One quick second. Okay. There it goes. Microsoft beginning to indicate signs of an uptrend. It's up 1% after market hours, and we got Google dropping 3.7% in the aftermarket trading session. So, what's up? What's up? And here it goes, still dropping. I'm going to go back to that just dual split screen right here just so we can focus a little bit more on the important ones. So we got Microsoft again beginning to indicate signs somewhat of an uptrend, and then we got Google absolutely tanking 4% in the aftermarket hour. All right, there it goes, still pulling back. Alrighty, so expectation for Google was 25.54 earnings per share, and they ended up reporting a 24.62, so pretty much missed by $1 per share. Definitely not good. Microsoft already beginning to pull on back. I actually thought that we were going to see a nice uptick. And the really unfortunate part about this is that, do you guys know what company reports earnings tomorrow? And it did not do well last time it reported earnings. Do you guys know what company? Not good. Let's see how everything is performing after market hours. So, can't believe SQQQ. Yeah, SQQQ is having a killer day. Check this out. SQQQ beginning to indicate, more signs of an uptrend, up 2.5% after market hours, up 11.11 on the day. If I'm not mistaken, it's reaching previous highs. Yeah, definitely getting really close, back up to $52.87. Let's go back to Microsoft. Yep, you guys heard it here first. Facebook reports earnings tomorrow. You guys need to be aware of that. It is not looking good. If Google and Microsoft couldn't pull through, it's really Google that's absolutely tanking, down 4.6% right now in the aftermarket traded session. Yep. So Facebook reports earnings tomorrow. Just a friendly reminder, last time Facebook reported earnings, it dropped by 22% in just a couple of minutes. It lost $220 billion. It's the most any stock that's publicly traded ever lost in a single day. Absolutely insane. All right, so yeah, I mean, this is just definitely not a good sign for the overall NASDAQ market. It makes sense on why the market was reacting the way that it did. It was pretty much just factoring in everything it was that I guess it had expected from Microsoft. Not only Microsoft, now Microsoft is down 3.5%, and Google is making new lows at 5.5% right now on the day. RIP to my TQQQ swing trade. And I'm actually really happy that you brought that up. Well, hold up. 6% on the day, not on the day, after market hours. So now Google is down nearly 10% altogether on the day. Check that out. Microsoft down 3.7% during normal trading hours and down another 3%. All right, there we go. Not looking good. But I'm actually really glad that someone brought that up of like RIP to my TQQQ swing trade. There's a lot of people that are invested. You guys just have to think. I mean, a lot of you guys are just getting started. And I think it's all about perspective. At the end of the day, I'm not here to convince you. If you want to sell your positions, sell it. You're an adult. Do what it is that you think is best for your future self. I just want to share my opinion, and I mean, that's why you're here, right? One thing that I want to share with you is that if you can tolerate these pullbacks and you don't expect to sell TQQQ or any of your positions, any of your long-term investments, any of your long-term plays anytime soon, then in my opinion, I mean, it shouldn't really matter how the market is performing on the day today. We all know that during earnings season, there's a lot of volatility, right? But that's why we always talk about watching our position size, taking that into consideration. I think today is a great example of when things already looked bad, they continue to get worse. This should only encourage you to be more selective with your position size and what stocks you choose to invest in. It's not that it's the end of the world. It's not that this is like the worst case scenario, because it's not, right? I mean, you have to think about it. Like, there's the highs and the lows of every company is right now, right? Right now we're experiencing kind of the low point for Google and Microsoft and for tech as a whole. That should, one of two things, right? It either scares you to not want to do anything, meaning that, I don't want to invest in anything or anything like that. Or if you look at it from a different perspective, there's so much opportunity right now present in the market that this could really pay off 1 or 2 years from now. No one ever said the stock market was going to be easy, right? And it's definitely not. And I know it's difficult to kind of see the light at the end of the tunnel. And that's why I started this little message with, if you want to sell your shares because you think that's best for yourself, then do it, right? I'm never here to convince you. I just want you to understand that, yeah, markets are cheap. They are oversold. They are bearish right now. But it reminds me a lot like, February, March of 2020 when COVID first hit. There was so much uncertainty. And then guess what? 4 to 5 months later, not only did those markets recover, but they ended up making new highs. And everything is situational. It doesn't mean that they always have to fully recover and or make new highs. But one thing that the market has always shown us is that the market does always end up recovering, and the market does end up not only recovering, but it ends up making new highs. And I think that's very empowering for our long-term investors and our swing traders. It should encourage you. This uncertainty and this volatility should encourage you to be selective. It really should. It's to show you that the market is not always bullish, right? And it's good because it instills character in understanding. You should have a set list of criteria behind every trade, behind every investment, and that things don't always go according to plan. I think it's good, the lesson that you are learning right now from the market. But it's also very, I would say, empowering to, kind of look back 1 or 2 years from now and then see that, wow, we stuck through it. We put ourselves in a good position where we bought Google, we bought Facebook, we bought Microsoft, whatever company it is that you see value in that's cheap right now. And we saw that long-term potential. Look at that. Microsoft just made a full recovery from overall lows to previous highs. 5%. Since we've been talking about that. Look at that. 5%. Bill Gates is like, watch this, Elon. Watch this. It looks like Google is also beginning to indicate signs of recovery. What are we seeing here? That's actually pretty good. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really happy that first off, you guys are all here. You guys could be doing a lot more, you guys could be doing so many different things, right? So many different things that maybe is more entertaining, things to just kind of, I think it says a lot about you and your character of you showing up and being interested in the market. Obviously, things don't always go according to plan, and I think this market is a great way to kind of like humble you and keep you very level-headed. But again, I'm pumped. I'm excited, and I haven't been excited like this in a while, especially when the markets are selling off. And trust me, I'm right there with you. I mean, I'm invested in some of these companies as well. And yeah, it kind of sucks. It stings a little to see these stocks pull back. But I understand that in the long run, right? I'm not in no rush to sell any of this. I'm not invested in low quality companies. I'm invested in companies that I really do see making a recovery, and not only a recovery, but new highs, right? They're emerging markets. They're markets that are going to continue to grow. And that's why I feel like I'm a little bit more able to tolerate these pullbacks, because I understand the big picture. I don't need that money to make me money right now, today, right? What sells off today can recover tomorrow, and vice versa. This is why we always have this saying within our Learn Plan Profit group of, on my green days, I prepare for my red days, and on my red days, I prepare for my green days. It's a great way to keep you level-headed, and that's what it's all about, right? I was actually thinking of going live on Instagram. I don't know if you guys want to join me there, but I'm really grateful that you guys took time out of your Tuesday. You guys could have done anything. You guys decided to jump onto this live stream. So again, I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that we earned your thumbs up. I hope some of the conversations that we had in today's live stream were something of value. I would love to connect with you. I hope that you guys know that we do run a free trading Discord chat. So it's the first link in the description of this video. And you can message me if you have any questions, if you're just getting started, if you just want to say what's up. The first link in the description, that is going to be my free Discord chat. And I see a couple of you guys asking how can you join our group. So we do run our live trading sessions every single morning at market open. You don't have to join, but if you want to join us every single morning at market open, it's the only group that I work with on a closer basis. So they get access to everything. They get access to Learn Plan Profit 2.0, all the video lesson libraries that's designed for complete beginners. They get access to my daily live trading sessions, our private group chat, and then they also get access to my TechBuds HQ, so the office space that I bought in Chandler. It's available for all of you guys. So you guys get all of this. Learn Plan Profit 2.0. It's a one-time payment, lifetime access. If you're ready to join our team, I would love to see you there. I'd love to see you for our morning live trading session tomorrow. Click the second link in the description. But if you guys want to talk about it first, then make sure you message me on Discord, and that's that first link down below. We got Isaac here. LPP is worth it 1,000%. I like that. Great day, Lawrence. What's going on, Matt? I'm going to say what's up to a couple of you guys. So if you guys are tuning on in for the first time, make sure you guys say what's up. So we got Lawrence here. We got Axel, Francis, Dorm, Isaac, Cams, my guy. How you doing? So is there going to be another update on Learn Plan Profit 2.0? Well, we just updated it late last year. So if I do update it, you guys will all get access to it, and I never charge for any of the updates. So what's going on, Oscar? What's going on, Jonah? We got Brandon, David, Hype Kid. What's up? What's up? We got Jesse, Angels, David, Steven, D, Volantero, what's up, what's up? I really do appreciate you guys tuning on in. I hope to see some of you guys we're planning on hosting an in-person kind of just session at the TechBuds HQ here in Arizona next week. So I hope to see some of you guys there. If you're part of my Learn Plan Profit group, make sure you message me right now on Discord. I'd love to give you some more of the details. I'm going to update you guys more on Thursday, but if I'm not mistaken, we're set to do this on Monday. So I'm very excited for that in-person session at the TechBuds HQ. Again, you do have to be a member of Learn Plan Profit, so just make sure that you're aware of that. I really do appreciate you guys' time. I hope that we earned your thumbs up in this video. Again, I upload new videos every single day, so make sure that you subscribe to the channel. And friendly reminder, we're giving away a free trading mouse pad to every order of Aluminum Art. So every order that you do of Aluminum Art, just add your favorite mouse pad. So it could be the Day Trader mouse pad, it could be the Graffiti Duck, it could be the Problem Duck, the Wall Street. Oh, looks like we sold out of the Wall Street. So again, a lot of these things are selling out. We're literally giving one away with every order of a wall art. So make sure you head on over to shoptechbuds.com and you pick up your favorite wall art for your trading setup. I really do appreciate you guys' time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green